Yes, I got a 2004 Chevrolet Aveo engine. I was asking $550 or best offer. It fit a 2004 Chevrolet Aveo. I bought off eBay. It runs good. Runs good. The guy I got it off of eBay said it ain't nothing wrong with it. It fit a 2004 Chevrolet Aveo. If you're interested in it, please give me a call at 931-841-4817. My name is Bobby Ferris. I live out here off of Pleasant Grove Road in Essex Springs. And I hope you like this motor. It runs good as far as I know. It's a 2.0 four-cylinder engine. It fit a 2004 Chevrolet Aveo. I bought it, put it in 2005, but it's too small. Everything is like it should be. It's been in the drive. It's got oil in it and everything. If you're interested, please give me a call. Y'all have a nice day. And God bless. Thanks for watching.